Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change password on Windows 11, and this is quite simple. First of all, go to Start and click here on Settings. Then from here we go to Accounts, and then from here we go to Sign In Options. Then if you don't have the password option just right here, make sure that you turn off this option. But right now when we have it just right here, we can click on the arrow and then we can click on Change. So from now, what you need to know is if you are logging in to a Outlook account, then you will change the Outlook login to login here on your PC. But if you don't have something like that or just using a guest account, then you can just change your code by signing in with your normal or your using passwords. And then after that, he will give you a screen for a new password. So keep this in mind. So right now I can change my password if I want to, but this is the setting and the place that you need to change your password on Windows 11. So hopefully I helped you out with this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.